In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book appointment in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left side menu. This is where you'll find the main navigation options for different tools inside the platform. From that menu, click on Calendars. This will take you to the scheduling area where you can manage and create appointments. After the calendar page opens, look through the calendar view and find the time slot where you want to book the appointment. Take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the correct day and time, especially if you're scheduling on behalf of a client or team member. It's always a good idea to double check availability before moving forward. Next, check the calendar selection. This is important because Gohighlevel may have multiple calendars set up for different services, users, or appointment types. Make sure you're booking the appointment under the correct calendar so everything stays organized and the booking goes to the right place. Once that's confirmed, enter the appointment title. The title should clearly describe the purpose of the meeting so it's easy to recognize later. After that, choose the appropriate team member. This assigns the appointment to the correct person and helps keep internal scheduling accurate. Now move to the date and time details. Confirm the date, then add the start time for the appointment. After that, enter the end time. Be careful here to make sure the time range makes sense and reflects the actual length of the meeting. Accurate timing helps prevent overlaps or confusion on the calendar. Next, set the meeting location. This could be a physical location, a phone call, or a virtual meeting space, depending on how your business handles appointments. Choose the option that matches how the meeting will take place so the contact has the right expectations. After that, check the appointment status. This helps ensure the booking is categorized correctly inside the system. Then select the contact for the appointment. This step is required, so make sure you choose the correct contact record before finishing. If you have similar names in your contact list, take an extra second to confirm you're selecting the right one. Once everything is filled in and reviewed, click on Book Appointment. That will save the appointment to the calendar and complete the booking process. And that's it. As a final tip, before you leave the page, do a quick review of the appointment details to make sure everything looks correct. That simple check can help you avoid scheduling mistakes and keep your calendar running smoothly.